We were among the very first people to step on board Royal Caribbean's newest Icon-class ship, Legend of the Seas. And we got an exclusive first look into what it looks like to stay in a $100,000 family townhouse. You gotta see this. Welcome to MVP Stateroom Spotlight. Today we're taking you into the ultimate family townhouse on Legend of the Seas. This isn't just a stateroom, it's an experience. The ultimate family townhouse offers multiple levels of beautifully designed living space, comfortable bedrooms, inviting gathering areas, and a private outdoor retreat overlooking the ocean. It's the perfect place to reconnect, celebrate special moments, and create unforgettable memories together. Whether you're traveling with grandparents, extended family, or simply want the ultimate Royal Caribbean vacation, this suite combines luxury, space, and fun in one extraordinary setting. MVP tip: before booking multiple connecting staterooms, compare the value of the ultimate family townhouse. For larger families, having everyone together may be the perfect fit. When you're ready to experience Legend of the Seas, contact your favorite magical vacation planner travel advisor today. We'll help you find the perfect stateroom, create the perfect itinerary, and make your next Royal Caribbean vacation unforgettable. Thanks for watching another MVP Stateroom Spotlight. Catch you next time. The largest ship in the world is booking fast. Call 407-233-1842 to book your room right now.